The dual meaning of golf club. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be exploring a common English term that has more than one meaning: golf club. By the end of this video, you'll understand both its meanings and how to use it in sentences. Golf is a sport where players use clubs to hit a ball into a series of holes on a course in as few strokes as possible. This sport is played outdoors on large areas of land specifically designed for it, known as golf courses. Golf club in this context can refer to the instrument used to strike the golf ball. There are different types of golf clubs used for various purposes, such as drivers, irons, and putters. Example sentence: he swung his golf club and hit the ball right into the hole. The term golf club also refers to a place or venue where people gather to play the sport of golf. This place typically consists of the golf course, a clubhouse where players can relax, and sometimes other amenities like restaurants, shops, and practice areas. It's not just about the sport. It's also a social venue where members and guests can interact. Example sentence: she is a member of the prestigious golf club downtown. So there you have it. Golf club can refer to both the instrument used in the sport of golf and the venue where people go to play the sport and socialize. Remembering the context in which it's used will help you determine its meaning. We hope this video clarified the dual meanings of golf club for you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.